Welcome to Logos Eurythmy. In this video we show you step by step how to make mood of the soul knowledge.
Bring your right hand with your index finger upwards, because this gesture always has the feature that it actually indicates insight. So, if you move your right forearm upwards and hold your left arm in such a way that you hold the hand supporting it here under the right elbow, make this other gesture upwards. You have the gesture of insight. For every word that indicates that you perceive something, that you take something in, can be regarded as knowledge in life.